Hey everyone, this is Anthony from Affiliate Marketing with the Blog. Just want to say welcome. I just want to show you some quick little tools that's going to help you grow your business. A little bit of information that's going to hopefully help you get where you need to be as far as your website. This little tool right here I've been using here is called MaxVisit. As you're probably reading this article, and you're probably watching this video, I'm just gonna take you inside MaxVisit, just try to show you some little bitty things of what it's all about, what it's pertaining as far as your website, what kind of traffic you're going to get, what kind of features does this MaxVisit has. One of the features that I wanted to show you that there is a couple of different website traffic that you can order from MaxVisit. As you can see down here at the bottom, you got website traffic, you got pop-up under traffic, you got traffic wizard, adult traffic, mobile traffic, which is probably something that I would probably invest in as far as that everybody's on mobile now, so you want to reach that target, get that target, some eyes on your product with mobile. They got expired domain traffic, things like that. They also have, if you like affiliate marketing or you're in that type of niche, they do have affiliate program. Other little features that, like I will go ahead and click the website traffic. It kind of gives you the details of what it's all about, what kind of traffic does they have. As you can see here, you got US web traffic, which is pretty good for $11.98. But the misconception is a lot of people think that cheap traffic just don't deliver as well as it should. People say you pay what you get for it. That's true. But it's something that you can, if you're on a budget or you're something, you want to just get some traffic, you want to test the waters out, you can test out MaxVisit. It's to see how you like it. I use it from time to time. I don't use it all the time, but I use it from time to time just to test the waters, see what kind of results I can get. You got geo traffic, you got the WW traffic, you got the pop-up traffic, other little features that, whatever your site pertaining to, adult traffic, mobile traffic, like I said, you can target that particular audience. Some of the prices, it varies. If you click on this web traffic, US web traffic, as you can see that, the prices for 10,000 visits, you got $11.98 and so forth. 15,000 visits, you can see the numbers. The higher you visitors you want, the bigger discount that you get. So overall, it's a pretty good thing, but you just gotta test the waters out and see how you like it. So I just want to give you a little bitty overview of what MaxVisit traffic is. Everybody has their own opinion about it, but if you're on a budget or something, you want to test things out, or you want to drive more traffic, you also can do, you can get a free trial. Like I said, down here, you can test this out for free. It tells you exactly what you need to do as far as getting free traffic. You can test the waters out. You can write an article, a few little sentences on your website, mention MaxVisit, for just writing something to tell your experience with MaxVisit, write a blog, something like that. Or if you don't like writing, you just simply place a link on your website and you get the backlinks to MaxVisit. And then after that, once you do all those two steps that you see, you can just put in your information here, as I'm saying, URL, article link. If you got a blog post, put it there. Or you got a link to post it on your website, you put it there, your name, email address, and you send it off. And then normally it tells you here that it takes up to 72 hours for them to process that free trial. So this is something that you can just test the waters. You know, nothing fancy, something like that. But I just want to go over a little detail of exactly inside of MaxVisit, what you're going to be getting and what comes along with this traffic source here. So, hey guys, I hope you enjoy this little visit with MaxVisit, a little tutorial, and I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Hey, if you want that free trial, just click on that blue banner down at the bottom below this video. Click on it, fill out your little information, do what it says as far as, you know, you click on that, try your free trial, do what it says, and then, hey, test the waters. Let me know what you think about it. Hey, post on this comment, post your comments about your experience with it. Was it good, bad? I just want to know your opinion about MaxVisits. So please comment on this post or this video, and then let me know what you think. Just give me some input with your own experience as far as that. So if you want a free trial, click on the blue banner down below this video. Hey, comment, like this, subscribe to my channel. Hey, thank you guys. This is Anthony from Affiliate Marketing Blog. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day. Bye-bye.